Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dedicated Project Zomboid without using port forward without port forwarding your IP. So this video we're going to use this create.gg. Create.gg helps us to make our IP public without actually port forwarding it. I don't know how it works, but that's what it do. So what we need to do first is to create an account. As you can see, I already have an account, so don't have to create a new one. What you need to do is to create an agent. You can set up an agent after logging in your account. Then after doing that, you can create a tunnel here. In here, I have a tunnel here. Let's create a new one. What we need to create is UDP protocol type. Select yes, select it again, and you can see you can choose anything here, but this is the only free one. So let's choose this. You can enter one port count and let's enter 16261 as the local port. Then we can create add tunnel. Once you create that, you will see this text. Your tunnel is pending. We'll have to wait for that. And now it's done. Now let's leave this at default. You don't have to change anything here. And this will be your server IP and its port. The port is this 12953. So now let's create our server. So we need to install the dedicated server first. See, go to the library, games, tools, dedicated server. This one. You'll have to install this. Once you install it, let's right click on this tab, select properties, installed files, then select browse. Then you will be directed here at your server location. Now you can see here, this is the start server 64 will be your server. Once you click this, your server will be running. So before clicking that, we have to create a world first. So you can go here, host, manage settings, create new settings, and put your server name here. Server name, next, let's leave it default, save, back, for server name. You will have to start a game first so we can load the map and the files of the server, and we can use that files to run on our dedicated server. Let's wait for a bit. Now it's loading now. While it's loading, I'm gonna show you the start server back. So first we need to open it with a notepad, or in this case I will use notepad++, so to edit the file. In here we can see a lot of text. What we need to change is this. The XMS6G to XMS6G. This is the server RAM. This is the minimum RAM usage, and this will be the maximum RAM usage. You can change it however you want. In this case, I will use 6 GB of RAM on my server. And here, by default, you will not see this line of code. But this what this will do is to load your map. You can change the name here. This is the name. So name. You can change it to the name of your server. I will show you later. So let's create character first. Now as you can see, we started the vanilla server. This is the host, the local host, the one at the Steam. Right? My mic got disconnected. So as you can see here, this is where we will see our world files. See, as you can see, your server name is here. This will gonna be our server world. So the name of the server is your server name. So we have to go to the dedicated server again, then edit the server 64.bat file. Now we will have to put the name here, your server name. Let's see, let's double check it. Now, here's your server name. Let's just copy it to be sure. There. Once that is done, let's save it. X, go to the project Zomboid dedicated server. Let's start running the server. Now, while we're waiting for it to start, which is already starting, we'll have to go here. To join the server, we will need to type the new IP. The IP is maybe, let's go back to the updated PG. This one. Then can change the port to this one. Now you can join here. Now let's select that. Let's check if the server is running. Now you can see the server is now running. Now we will continue to check if our tunnel is running. You can see we can still see it. That's because the tunnel is still not running. In here, by creating the agent, you will have to install the playit.gg.exe. Install it, then run it. And it will automatically run the tunnels. You just have to wait. Here, it's starting now. Now the tunnel is run. You can see the other tunnel is now running. The other one is also running. Now let's try checking it. Oh, as you can see now it's running. Both my older server and this new server. But this both of this server is still running using this map. This one. It's just using the same IP, which is my public IP. So it's running. The boat is running. So let's check. Let's try to check if we got everything right. By disabling the other tunnel. Tunnels. That's what we're going to do. Okay. This is the old one. Let's disable this tunnel. It's disabled. Let's check here. It's disabled now. So I only have one tunnel running. So let's check the Project Zomboid again and refresh. Now the other one is not running because we closed the tunnel and this one is running. Let's try to join. As you can see, we managed to join servers. Now we're on the server. Let's check the console. As you can see here, it says that Jasper Dumas has connected. That's all. Thank you for watching.